Imagine you had a superpower like Neo in the Matrix, where you could see through the noise of your city and spot every local transaction in real time. Now imagine tapping into just a few of those daily and taking a cut of the action. And no, I'm not talking about the Italian mafia in the 50s. I'm talking about building a digital empire even as a non-techie. If you are still scrubbing floors or hauling junk, you are just a cog in the machine. But you have an unfair advantage. You understand the industry. Your goal shouldn't be to work harder. It should be to own the machine. By building a hyper-local marketplace, you curate the competition, own the leads, and become the trust factor for your town. Before I give you the top 10 local niche marketplace ideas, check out the other video on how to narrow down and dominate your specific niche market. Let me get back to the list. Number 10, high-end childcare. Nothing matters more to a parent than their child's safety. Building a marketplace that vets local daycares with a certified safe badge for your school district, own that trust. Number 9, event rentals. Create a central platform where neighbors see real-time availability for every bounce house and party tent in the zip code. Number 8, local moving. Own the insurance and the background checks. You will control which crew gets the high-paying contracts in the nice spot of your town. Hey, stop. If you are a non-techie with a vision but no time to build it, reach out to our team at WPVender. We turn these marketplace ideas into reality so you can focus on dominating your niche market while we handle the heavy lifting. Number 7, rental arbitrage. Connect property owners with entrepreneurs looking for sublet-ready units. Being the local real estate data bridge is a goldmine. Number 6, junk removal. People pay for disappearing problems. Build a platform that ranks the fastest howlers. Operators will gladly pay you a finder's fee to stay busy. Number 5, roofing. This is your high-ticket play. I'll call it shingle mingle. With $20,000 jobs, roofers will pay massive commissions to be your top recommended pro. Number 4, landscaping. Standardize pricing and offer 3-click booking. You will have every crew in the county begging to be on your platform to fill their schedule. Number 3, mobile car detailing. Stop detailing cars yourself. Start a marketplace for all local detailers. You keep the fees, they do the labor. Number 2, exterior maintenance. Offer instant code via photo uploads for pressure washing and gutters. You provide the tech, the pros provide the power. And now the number 1, home cleaning. The ultimate recurring revenue play. I call it the dust hustle. Manage the billing for 100 houses or a dozen commercial properties. When you own the subscription data, you own an asset worth millions. Listen carefully. Here's the big picture. Once you own the user base, the possibilities are endless. Monetize through lead fees, subscriptions, or featured spots. But the real goal, the exit. When you control the customer relationship for a zip code or entire town, you are selling a scalable assets. Build it so you can flip it. What's your niche market? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.